You don't need to be worried about getting harmed by a chiropractor. So let's look at it. When we look at professions that have to carry malpractice insurance, we look at who pays the most, biggest policies that are the most dangerous. So surgeons usually pay very high malpractice policies because they can hurt people. Anesthesia pays very high malpractice because they can hurt people. Chiropractors pay very, very low malpractice rates because the incidence of injuries is very low. So you don't have to worry about getting snapped by your chiropractor.